what are asymptotes? So an asymptote is like this. It's when a value is getting very, very close to something. Like for example, here, the x value is getting very, very, very close to 0, but it's never going to quite touch it. It's going to go to 0.000001, you get the point. It's getting very, very close to 0, but it never gets to 0. So, sometimes you'll see like a dotted line, and that just indicates an asymptote, right? It's just a fancy word for like saying that it will never really touch it, but it will get infinitely close, okay? So let's look at an example of a function with an asymptote. And this is a quite common one. It is like this. So it's f of x is equal to 1 over x. Okay? So when you graph this, it will look something like this. And then same thing on this side. So we're going to have one asymptote right here, which is the y-axis. And the reason for this is that x can never be 0. It's just going to get infinitely close to 0. It's going to get, you can put in 0.0001111, you get it. It can get very, very close to 0, but it will never equal 0. So that's why there's an asymptote in the y-axis, okay? And the same way, the reason the x-axis is another asymptote is because the function, no matter what input you put in for x, the output can never equal 0. Because in order for the output to be 0, then the numerator has to be 0. But the numerator is always 1. So yes, we can make it very, very close to 0, but again, you will never have a actual output of 0. That's why you will just have something infinitely close. And remember, whenever you see these dotted lines, it means you never will actually get to the value, but you get very, very close. That's what an asymptote is.